Those blue jays are being so silly about that suet. Yeah, are you watching him, Cara Dwyn? He's trying to hold on and he's too heavy for the hopper. Ooh, ooh. Oh, he's pretty though. How many are out there? It looks like 3. Wow. Yeah. What is it, my beautiful girl? You're staring at me. Ooh. I gotta put more suet out there. Between the squirrels and the blue jays, I don't even think the woodpeckers got any of it. Ooh. I think there's 3 of them. You need a face. Oh, now she's watching them and not me. Oh, nope, she is still watching me. What is going on with you, silly? Go look at the birdies.